Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to delete uploaded files on Google Drive. So in order to do that, it's a very simple process, so feel free to watch till the end so you do not miss any steps. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. First of all, you want to go to any browser you want and go ahead and search for Google Drive. And you want to click on the first link which says cloud storage for work and home. Once you have done that, you want to click on this go to drive button either here or here. So finally, once you have done that, I hope you have watched my last video and uploaded some kind of files onto your drive. But now if you want to delete it, simply what you have to do is click on the file. Finally, what you want to do is there is a simple delete button here, or if you right click here, as you can see, there is a remove button over here. Go ahead and click on it, and as you can see, it got deleted successfully, but this is not permanently deleted, just know that. If you want to permanently delete your files, however, you want to go to this tab right here which says trash. And finally, as you can see, your deleted file is right over here. I mean, you don't have to manually delete this. The trash is going to be deleted after 30 days. But if you just want to get rid of it for more storage or something, you want to click on this and right click here and then delete forever, or just click on this button here and then delete forever. So once you have done that, congratulations, you have successfully deleted a uploaded file on your Google Drive. For more videos like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.